Heyo, maganda at mapagpalang madaling araw ng Sabado dyan sa Pilipinas. Maganda at mapagpalang umaga ng Friday dito sa Petersburg, Alaska. Kuya Mel live updating. Keep going. Stay updated, you know. Kakatapos lang natin ng breakfast, almusal, mga sir, mga los, mga insan, mga choy. Papasok na tayo ng work. It's the 4th of July 2025. Happy 4th of July everyone. Bigyan shout out everyone. As always, as usual, always stay safe and healthy kayo dyan sa Pinas. Always proceed with caution. Our best regards to all, and may the Lord of love bless us all. Update lang pag may time, you know. Papasok na tayo ng planta. It's 11 minutes to 7. So papasok tayo ng 7. We'll see kung may enough tayong supply ng fish o isda mamaya. Salmon season 2025. Kuya Mel live updating, you know. Our best regards to all, and may the Lord of love bless us all. Hanggang sa muli, Kuya Mel, I'm out. Peace. Bye for now.